In this tutorial, we'll take on the role of a workbook author completing self-service data preparation and learn how to categorize attributes in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. In the data prep interface, I can categorize attributes, or characteristics, that already exist in my dataset to analyze my data in new ways. For this example, I'm going to categorize the product container column in my order lines dataset by container size. This will allow me to analyze how items of different sizes are shipped. I'll right-click on the product container column and select Group. I want to group my containers by size, so I'll name my column Container Size. Then I'll use the plus sign to add the 3 groups I want to create. I'll name each group based on container size: small, medium, and large containers. I'll select and assign each distinct value of the product container column to one of the categories I've created. Now that I've assigned each value to a product container size, I'll select Add Step, which adds the new column to my dataset. I could continue to categorize my attributes on this dataset by grouping cities into continents and products by profitability, for example, and then repeating these steps. Grouping data by attributes allows me to explore my data in new ways, potentially leading to deeper analysis. Find additional videos and more information on using Fusion Data Intelligence resources in the links below.